All right, welcome to the input and output module of this course, and throughout these lessons we'll be focused on different ways that we can bring data into Pandas and different ways that we can export it out. So far we've been using things like the read CSV method to basically bring things into Pandas and then manipulate them with all kinds of different methods, but we've basically been leaving everything as soon as we're done with it within the notebook and not actually doing anything with the final product. In this series of lessons, we'll look into things like exporting to a CSV file, exporting to an Excel file, reading different data types, even different things that we can feed to the read CSV method, as we'll see in the next lesson. So different things related to inputting data and outputting it. So let's begin by creating a brand new Jupyter Notebook, new and Conda root for our environment. And let's call this Jupyter Notebook input and output. We're going to want to import pandas as PD. And although there are two files that we're going to use throughout this module, which are actually Excel files this time around, so they have the extension XLSX instead of CSVs, we're not going to need them throughout every single lesson, so I'm only going to introduce them later for the specific lessons where we do need to utilize them. For now, though, I'm just going to click Escape and press B to create some cells below for us to work with, and that'll really be everything we need to do to get started with this module. So that's just a quick introduction to what we'll be covering, and in the next lesson I'll show you a different thing that we can feed into the read CSV method in order to get a data set from the internet. So I'll see you there.